This is our cat, Mittens. We're doing the ventral side and the lower half muscles. So this is the sartorius. If we cut it so we can flip it open like this. The function is to adduct and rotate the thigh, and it also extends the knee. The insertion is the tibia and the patella, and the origin is the ilium, so up here. Okay, underneath this we have our hot dog. This is the hot dog part. This is the rectus femoris, and the function is to flex the thigh and extend the lower leg. The insertion is the tibia, and the origin is the ilium again. The outside of the hot dog bun is the vastus lateralis, and the inside is the vastus medialis. They both extend the leg. Their insertion is both the tibia, and the origin is both the femur. And then down here, this really tiny muscle in here is the pectineus. And the pectineus adducts the thigh. Its insertion is the lesser trochanter of the femur, so right in here. And then the origin is the anterior pubis, so it'd be lower. The one right next to the pectineus is the adductor longus, and the function is to adduct the thigh. The insertion is the femur, and the origin is the pubis, so up higher. And then this is the rectus femoris. Yeah, it is. Oh, no, it's not. No, I'm just kidding.
The abductor
it's
femoris.
It's the adductor femoris, I'm sorry. It also adducts the thigh, and its insertion is the femur, and its origin is the pubis, so up in there. Then down here we have the semimembranosus, and the function is to extend the thigh as well. The insertion is the distal end of the femur, and the origin is the ischium, so lower over here. And then down here we have the semitendinosus, and this flexes the lower leg. The insertion is the tibia, and the origin is the ilium, so it's gonna come all the way back around up here. Okay, and then this is the gracilis. We forgot to mention this. This is a superficial muscle. The function is to adduct the thigh. The insertion is the medial surface of the tibia, and the origin is the pubic symphysis, so it would be up in here. And then we also have this little muscle back here, which is kind of hidden right in here. This muscle right here is the iliopsoas. Its function is it's a flexor of the trunk and the hip, so just like that. The origin is the lumbar vertebrae, so it comes all the way back and connects back here. And then the insertion is the ilium, so it'd be just up in here. Okay, and then we have our lower leg. Okay, this right here is the gastrocnemius, this big back muscle. Its function is to extend the foot. The insertion is the calcaneus and the origin is the femur. Underneath the gastrocnemius is the soleus. That is also to extend the foot. And the insertion is also the calcaneus and the origin is the fibula. So lower, but back here. Underneath the soleus, right here, we have the extensor digitorum longus, and it comes all the way down here and it extends the digits. Its insertion is the phalanges and the origin is the lateral epicondyle of the femur, so up here. And then this front muscle right here is the tibialis anterior. It is for dorsiflexion of the foot, and the insertion are the first metatarsals, so up here, and the origin is the tibia fibula. And then on this side, this little muscle right here, this is the flexor digitorum longus, and it flexes the digits. The insertion is the phalanges, and the origin is also the tibia fibula. And that's all.